This is a luxury junior suite here at Sanctuary Cap Cana. So as immediately you walk in, you do have to use a key card for the power. So bring your Costco card, to be honest. And then you've got lots of space, closet space here, lots of hangers. And then as we go back into the hallway, here's the bathroom. Got a dual vanity, shower and bath enclosure, or sorry, shower and toilet enclosure. And lots of towels, and they're very soft and fluffy. Scale. And it is a proper door, so you do have full privacy. Now here we've got the minibar station, which also has, this is restocked daily. Also room service is included. There we go. So you can see you've got lots of water, and then there's some local beer. Well, actually those are all local brands. And if you want more, you can always call room service and they'll deliver that no charge. Tons of space in the living area. This is a king bed, and you've got your own air conditioning, plus a ceiling fan, flat screen TV, and then a couple of USB ports right beside your bed to charge. And I love this little reading light, very cool. And a nice huge sitting area. And then this is the balcony. We're on the second floor here. It's very spacious. It's about, I don't know, 10 by 20 feet, 10 by 15 feet? No, probably 15 by 20. Jacuzzi tub. And it's protected from the, it's got a bit of privacy with the palm trees, but there is sort of a peekaboo ocean view there. And yeah, there you go. Lovely.